Were you always confident today, Rohit?
Yeah, like before you come and play any game, you got to be confident
In
of.
the chase, I mean, as the chase was developing.
Yeah, look, as the game goes on, there are different emotions that comes through, but you got to be ready for everything that is thrown at us. We've been in that situation many a times before, and like I said, many a times again, there's a lot of experience in that dressing room to handle that composure when it's needed. And KL and Gill at the end was quite composed.
Did the track play exactly as you thought it would?
Very hard to say that. It's just one game. Very hard to make anything out of the track. But we knew there's not enough grass on the pitch, and it is going to be on the slower side, and that is exactly how the pitch played. But again, you play the conditions. You try and think about what you want to do as a team, and I thought we adapted to the conditions really well to start with our bowling, and then with the bat as well. Yes, we were under pressure a little bit, but when you're playing a game like this, Champions Trophy, quality team, you're bound to be under pressure, and that is where the experience come into play.
You must be happy with the way the spinners have bowled, definitely, but especially the way Mohammad Shami's come back and taken 5 wickets.
Yeah, very happy for him. Long time waiting. We obviously know what he brings to us, the quality that he has, the kind of match winner he is developing himself into for us. Every time we throw the ball at him, he's got something up his sleeves, which is always nice. And we need guys like these to stand up in big moments.
The camera's captured one emotion of yours. Normally, you're the one who's hitting all the pretty sixes. Shubman Gill hits a 6, and there you are. You're just shaking your head in joy, admiration. Tell us about that.
I thought you were mentioning about the drop catch after the hat-trick.
When you brought it up, I wasn't going to go there.
Yeah, I mean, look, Gill, we know the class that he has. He's been batting brilliantly of late, and today what he showed us with the bat shouldn't surprise anyone. That is what he's all about. What was good to see that he was there till the end to make sure that he sees off the game.
A little treat for Akshar this evening since you brought it up.
May take him for a dinner tomorrow.
We were more worried with the intensity with which you were hitting the turf with your hand.
No, that was an easy catch. I should have taken that catch. The standard that I have set for myself, standing in the slips. That was a little disappointing, but again, these things happen. I do understand that. But again, the way these guys bowled, that set the game for us. To be honest, I know they were 36 for 5, and then they got a big partnership. And these things are bound to happen. There will be odd partnerships there. Credit to Hridoy and Jekar Ali. They played brilliantly to stitch that big partnership. And then with the bat, I thought we were very clinical.
Now, a couple of days off before you get your next game, training maybe day after. But you expect the tracks to play fairly similarly? Yeah?
Not sure, but it'll be pretty much similar, I guess. I'm not the curator to tell you how the pitch is going to be, but with the looks of it, there's been a lot of games that has happened here of late. So we'll come out and see what's there for us on 23rd and see we'll be ready for that.
Short tournament, 2 points, invaluable, well played today.
Thank you very much.
There you